Welcome to the Shreeji Group of Companies. Shreeji Group of Companies is a renowned name in processing, manufacturing and exporting of agricultural products based in India. We have wide experience in the cultivation and process of agricultural products, which are processed in our state-of-the-art production facility, equipped with modern technology and developed as per international food safety guidelines. The operation of our all group of companies is handled from the western part of India, Gujarat at Mahuva, Una, and commercial activities are operated from Ahmedabad, which is the commercial capital of Gujarat. We deal in versatile agri commodities. Private labeling is one of the services offered by our company, allowing clients to brand products as their own. We pass by the impressive buildings of our group companies, Shreeji Protein, Shreeji Nut Butter, Shreeji Oil and Fats, Shreeji Dehydrated Export, IFS Technology. Each factory represents the expertise and dedication of our specialized companies, contributing to the vast array of agri-commodities we offer. Inside, the Shreeji Group of Companies collaborative workspaces where experts from different companies come together, sharing ideas, knowledge, and innovation. This vibrant atmosphere fosters continuous improvement and ensures that our products adhere to the highest standards of quality. At the heart of the Shreeji Group of Companies, we find our state-of-the-art production facility where cutting-edge technology and modern machinery work in harmony to process and package our agricultural products. Stringent food safety guidelines are strictly followed to ensure utmost quality and hygiene. A proud display of our various certifications reinforces our commitment to excellence. Our group companies hold prestigious certifications that include ISO 22000:2018, US FDA, BRC, FSSAI. Additionally, we are recognized as a star export house approved by the Government of India. Throughout the Shreeji Group of Companies, the shared values of quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction resonate. It's the passion for agriculture and the unwavering dedication of our employees that bind us together as the Shreeji Group of Companies. Here are some of the diverse agri-commodities offered by Shreeji Group of Companies. Raw peanut, blanched peanut, roasted peanut, dices peanut, peanut butter in various flavors, flavored peanuts, groundnut oil, groundnut cake, dehydrated onion and garlic, flakes, chopped, minced, granules, powder. With a wealth of experience in agriculture and food processing, our founders recognized the need for advanced machinery to streamline food processing operations. Our journey began with a focus on peanut processing machines, leveraging the local expertise and abundant resources to create state-of-the-art solutions. Shreeji Group of Companies exports its products to countries across the continents of Europe, Asia, Middle East, Africa, North America, South America, Russia, and Australia. Their extensive reach highlights their strong international presence in these diverse regions. As the sun sets on the Shreeji Group of Companies campus, we see employees from different companies exchanging smiles and ideas, united in their vision of providing the world with the finest agricultural products. The Shreeji Group of Companies, where cultivation meets innovation and tradition blends with technology. Together, we sow the seeds of excellence, harvest the fruits of success, and nurture a better future for the global agri community. Join us on this journey of growth and goodness as we continue to serve with utmost dedication and pride. Shreeji Group of Companies, cultivating excellence together.